Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice animation. First, outline your entire animation sequence to ensure smooth transitions between steps. Begin by designing simple, distinct shapes and colors for each ingredient. Then, focus on setting keyframes to define the movement and timing of each element, bringing your animated dish to life. Next, animate each ingredient as it enters the pan, perhaps with a slight bounce or pour effect. Introduce subtle movements and color shifts to simulate heat and steam, making the cooking process feel dynamic. Utilize layering techniques to effectively show ingredients mixing and combining within the pan, creating a visually appealing blend. Now, focus on animating the cooking and stirring. Develop realistic stirring motions for the rice and other ingredients, showing them tumble and mix. Implement texture and color changes to indicate cooking progress, like browning or softening. Consider adding subtle visual cues for aroma, enhancing the sensory experience of your animated fried rice. Finally, animate the delicious fried rice being served into a bowl, perhaps with a satisfying scoop. Add any final garnishes or visual enhancements to make the dish look irresistible. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Your animated fried rice is now ready to be enjoyed by your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.